This is Infinite Wisdom HD. You're welcome back to the channel. Be the first money bag in your family. Attract huge amount of money. Do you want to experience good luck? Do you want to ensure a constant flow of money? Then you have to use thyme. Thyme for cooking does the wonder. You can use fresh or dry thyme. Boil some thyme. Add the infusion to your bathing water regularly. You can save some in the fridge or boil regularly. In fact, this is very powerful. Thyme has a lot of spiritual wonders. If only you know. If you use thyme, you will experience good luck. You will experience a constant flow of money. Okay? Try this out and come back with your testimonies. Surely you must testify. I'll be waiting for your testimony. Alright. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, subscribe now to this channel for more videos. Turn on all notifications. Comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Alright, I'm going to see you in my next video. Have yourself a good time. I love you. Bye-bye.